What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best liquid wax for cars on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. In our list, the number 5 product name is Meguiar's Ultimate Liquid Wax. Meguiar's Ultimate Liquid Wax is a premium paint protectant with a pure synthetic wax blend for maximum performance. The improved formula now delivers even better durability than before. Meguiar's proprietary hydrophobic polymer technology increases surface tension for relentless water beading action that lasts. This advanced formula also delivers deep, dark reflections, incredible gloss and shine while leaving a slick finish. This finely tuned wax was formulated to check all the boxes, without compromising ease of use. It goes on butter smooth and comes off just as nice, even in the sun. Premium foam applicator and microfiber towel included. Ultimate is also available in a paste wax. 1. Title draft language created by generative AI and reviewed, edited, and revised by Meguiar's. Improved formula. Improved formula delivers a glossier finish, increased protection and more water beading action in one easy step. Easy to use wax. Easy spread on and wipe off application, even in full sun. Long-lasting wax protection. Advanced pure synthetic formula delivers a long-lasting protective barrier on paint while amplifying reflection for incredible depth, shine and gloss. Relentless water beading. Hydrophobic polymer technology increases surface tension for relentless water beading. Clear coat safe. Safe and effective on all glossy paints and clear coats, and can be applied by hand or dual-action variable speed polisher like Meguiar's MT300 dual-action polisher. In our list, the number 4 product name is Turtle Wax Liquid Car Wax. Get legendary super hard shell protection and shine with Turtle Wax Super Hard Shell Car Wax. The easy on, easy off formula fights harmful UV rays and lasts up to 12 months. This Turtle Wax Super Hard Shell Liquid Wax makes a fabulous way to make your vehicle gleam. It can be used on all types of cars, trucks, and boats. The shine and protection from this car detailing product will last for a year. You can use it to clear up clouded headlights as well. This car liquid wax is easy to apply. Turtle Wax a Super Hard Shell Car Wax. Hard Shell Finisher. The leading car wax in the world. Easy on, easy off hard shell shine and protection. 16 fluid ounces, 1.473 milliliters. Turtle Wax's story started with the first ever bottled car wax in 1946. Over 75 years later, we continue to create legendary products designed for all types of car owners, marrying exceptional performance with the same ease of use fans have come to expect, decade after decade. And while we're now cleaning, shining, and protecting cars in over 120 countries, our heart remains in our hometown of Chicago, where we still innovate to this day. In our list, the number 3 product name is Malco Automotive Liquid Paste Wax. The easiest CR wax to apply. Cherry Flash is a liquefied paste wax formulated with premium, natural carnauba wax and DuPont Zonal. This premium wax applies easily and shines quickly. Hand wax or orbital machine. You can use a wax applicator to apply the product by hand, or, if you prefer, you can use an orbital buffer. The product will not stain your trim or rubber and offers a super easy on and easy off application. No mess. Protect and shine. Our liquid paste wax provides a deep, long-lasting glossy finish that protects your vehicle. Use it on any car, truck, boat, or motorcycle. Glossy smooth finish. Our cherry flash wax is produced with quality ingredients for a mirror-like smooth finish. Malco Automotive. Since 1953, Malco Products has been providing powerful cleaning and detailing products and accessories to keep cars spotless and clean, inside and out. It has been 70 years since the Glauberman family founded Malco. Today, we continue to develop professional quality automotive detailing chemicals that really work. Whether you are a novice or an expert, we have the solution to fit your every need. In our list, the number 2 product name is Malco Automotive Liquid Paste Wax. One easy step. Formula delivers maximum synthetic protection, durability, depth of color, and reflectivity in this easy one step. Effortless application. Thin film technology provides for easy application and wipe off even in full sun, and will not stain non-painted trim pieces white. Long-lasting protection. Advanced synthetic polymers cross-link to form a long-lasting protective barrier while amplifying reflection for incredible depth and mirror-like shine. Water rolls right OFF paint. Hydrophobic polymer technology increases surface tension to protect paint. Safe and flexible. Safe and effective on all glossy paints and clear coats, and can be applied by hand or dual-action variable speed polisher like Meguiar's MT300 dual-action polisher. Ultimate Liquid Wax. 16 Oz Meguiar's thin film technology delivers our easiest application and removal. Even if you have to wax in full sun. We've reset the bar with a pure synthetic wax that provides extended protection with amplified reflectivity that won't leave a white residue on trim, and most advanced, pure synthetic hydrophobic technology makes application easy, even in full sun. Extended protection with amplified reflectivity. In our list, the number 1 product name is Chemical Guys Wet Wax Wet Shine for Cars. High Shine Formula. Formulated from a blend of natural carnauba, polymers, and resins, Butter Wet Wax delivers an unmatched surface shine and deep wet finish. Safe for all finishes, Butter Wet Wax can be applied to your car, boat, motorcycle, SUV, truck or RV's paint, glass, and metal surfaces to clean, shine, and protect. You can even use Butter Wet Wax on top of your ceramic coating for an extra layer of shine and protection. Not recommended for matte finishes. Just like we need sunscreen, your car needs protection too. The sun is one of the most harmful enemies of your vehicle's finish. Butter Wet Wax helps fight UVA and UVB rays to help extend the life of your paintwork. Not just for detailers, Chemical Guys products can be used by beginners and pros alike because our products are so easy to use. Just apply a few drops to an applicator, spread in a thin even coat and buff off any residue with a microfiber towel. See bottle for complete product and direction for use information. Trust Chemical Guys. Our company has been built with a passion for shine. We are passion-filled car enthusiasts who work every day to produce products that make things look better, smell better, and make people happy. Butter Wet Wax Liquid Cream Car Wax is proudly produced in Southern California. Butter Wet Wax is an all-new and improved formula that delivers an unmatched surface shine and deep wet look. Butter Wet Wax goes on easier, shines brighter, and lasts longer than previous generations. This improved blend of natural carnauba, polymers, and resins leaves your car shining as if it were just washed. Butter Wet Wax enables you to attain the deep gloss of a paste wax in an easy-on, easy-off, long-lasting blend. Butter Wet Wax is now even easier to use, giving that amazing shine only their ultra-refined, 100% carnauba-based wax can provide. They named this wax after its trademark characteristic. It simply melts into any paintwork like butter. Butter wet wax for its easy-to-use capabilities, extremely durable protection, and show-winning shine that will look astonishing on most non-textured surfaces including painted wheels, chrome bumpers, glasswork/windshields, and stainless steel exhaust tips. Chemical Guys use their all-new signature, ultra-refined, carnauba formula to create a wax that utilizes the natural cleaning powers of carnauba to gently cleanse the paint, exposing the natural beauty of your vehicle's color, while also providing a protective coating that will fight out the harsh effects of the elements. The smooth, protective layer is 100% natural to fight off water spots, bird droppings, and road tar. The new improved formula of butter wet wax is even more guarded against the sun's harmful rays.